If you just downloaded Cash App and want to get that free bonus by entering a referral code, this quick guide is for you. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss a step and ensure your code gets accepted. First, open the Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, look for the profile icon in the top right corner and tap it. This takes you straight to your account settings. Scroll down through this menu until you see an option that says Enter Referral Code here. You'll usually find it near the bottom, just above the Sign Out button. Tap that option and carefully type in your referral code exactly as it was given to you. Once entered, confirm it and your referral code will be applied. Here's an important thing to keep in mind. This option only appears if you haven't redeemed a referral code before. If you've already used one in the past, the field won't show up. So make sure you do this as soon as you create your account to get the reward. That's it. Quick and simple. Just open Cash App, go to your profile, scroll down, and input your code. If you follow these steps correctly, you'll be all set to claim your bonus. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and check the description for any referral codes or special offers you can use today.